Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to be doing an oil change on my 2013 F-150. Now this oil change will apply to every F-150 from 2011 to 2014 with the 5.0 engine. I'm also going to be installing two devices to make oil changes a breeze and much easier on the 5.0s, and I'll show you what those are right now. All right, so the first thing we're going to be doing, we're going to be installing this valvomax quick twist oil drain. The model for my truck is the M12 to 1.75. That's the thread size. All right, now the second item is like an elbow for your oil cap. As you know, on the F-150s, especially with the 5.0s, it's kind of at an angle, so it's harder to fill up your oil. Remove your oil drain bolt. Okay, so before installing the valvomax, you want to clean around the hole to ensure the snug fit. Now it also comes with the washer. You want to put that washer on like that. All right, now all you gotta do is tighten it down. Now what you do is you put this cap back on and you're good. Now, whenever you want to change the oil, just twist. Cap off, put your adapter on like so. As you can see, the oil is already going through. When you put this adapter on, it opens up that valve. All right, so when changing the filter, as you can see, it's up here. Now it has two spouts for the oil to drain out of. It'll come out here, and the second one is right there. What I'm going to do actually is use two oil drain pans. That worked perfect. As you guys can see, it's coming out of that other drain and that one too. Alright, so what you want to do is grab some oil and put it around the seal. This will make it a lot easier for you to remove on your next oil change. Now typically, what I like to do is fill up the oil filter, a little bit, at least a quarter or a half, but the oil filters on the truck are pretty much at an angle like that, so everything would just drain out. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it in there dry. It should be fine. It's just going to go a split second without oil in it. All right, here is the new arm. Just put it in, twist, and you're good to go. It's in place. It doesn't click, but it does lock. All right. Funnel back in. You can see it sets straight.
Beautiful.
This is very easy. The engine says it takes 7.7 quarts, so I'm going to stop right about here. Start the engine, probably just for about a minute or two. It ain't going to take too long, and then I'm going to measure it and see if it's right where it should be. If not, I can just add some more. You never want to add too much, because then you don't want to have to drain any oil if you put too much in there. True. It's so much easier just to add more. You're at that mark. Now you want to check for leaks. Look around the oil filter. That's all good. It's good here. Now we'll check the oil drain bolt. Look for leaks around there. All right, now you want to check your level. So grab your dipstick, pull it out, wipe it off, put it back in. Pull it back out. And it's actually right in the center. All right, now all we need to do is reset the oil life. What you're going to do is hit setup once. Hit it again, oil life reset, and you're gonna hit the reset button and hold it, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Trick Shift Garage content. See you on the next one.